In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up two-factor authentication for Instagram. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. Two-factor authentication is a security feature. If you set up two-factor authentication, you will be asked to enter a special login code or confirm your login attempt each time someone tries to access your Instagram from a new device. There are several two-factor authentication methods you can use with your Instagram account. Go to your profile and tap the menu button. Tap Settings, then scroll down and tap Two-Factor Authentication. Enable the switch next to your text messages to enable authentication via SMS messages. If your account does not have a confirmed phone number, you will be asked to enter one. After entering the phone number, tap Next. You will then receive a confirmation code that you'll need to input to complete the process or pass authentication. You can also use an Authentication App instead. Turn the switch next to Authentication App on, then follow the on-screen instructions. Enter the confirmation code from the third-party Authentication app to complete the process. Do you use two-factor authentication on other apps?